Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping quickly. Open the Plix kit and lay out cleanser, mask, serum, applicator, and gloves. Apply to towel damp hair at about 70% dry. This helps product absorption versus soaking wet. Once detangled, do a small nape strand test for 10 minutes to confirm compatibility. If the test is fine, section hair into 4 parts and clip. Make sure to wear gloves and keep a timer. This avoids overprocessing and ensures consistent results across all sections. You mix the mask and activator exactly per kit instructions, using the applicator to avoid air bubbles. Starting at the nape, apply product in 1-inch sections. Work from roots to ends so each strand is saturated evenly, because even coverage prevents patchy results. Once applied, comb through gently to distribute the formula and remove excess. Then, set your timer for the recommended processing time. During this phase, relax but check every 10 minutes for texture changes to avoid overapplication. You rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until it runs clear. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes and removes residue that dulls shine. Once rinsed, apply the kit's gentle conditioner and leave for 1 to 2 minutes, then detangle and rinse again. Air dry or use low heat to preserve results. If you notice irritation, burning, or uneven color, stop and rinse immediately. Repeat a controlled strand test and consult instructions before reapplying. This single troubleshooting step prevents further damage and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.